Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video is going to be on a new gadget that I had bought to use while I film videos for my YouTube channel. Well, not all the videos, but it's just certain ones. This is the ZHIYUN Crane 3S Gimbal. And I had purchased it for my 60th birthday. I figured, hey, I'm going to treat myself to something nice. I've been looking at different gimbals over the past few months or so, and I chose the ZHIYUN Crane 3S over the other ones. I had purchased this from Amazon. It was on sale for $5.29. They have the Pro Edition for $7.99. I chose to get the standard one, which is what you see right here. I got in the mail the other day. It took about a half hour to set it up. To be perfectly honest, I was a little bit intimidated by when I got this out of the box. I go, it looks way too complicated to balance. I watched a few YouTube videos on it and it was a piece of cake to balance. I thought it was going to be a lot more complicated to balance than it was. It was actually pretty easy. It took about a half an hour. I did put some tape on here so that way when I put it in my storage box and I have to move all these down to where they should be to fit inside of my Pelican case that I want to put it in. This way when I get this back out to use it, I can just line up the tape marks with the edges and then lock it down in place. I practiced a little bit with my camera on this around my front yard, in my bedroom, on my balcony. So I decided today I was going to get up early, wash and spray wax my truck, bring it over to the train station not far from my house, and I'm going to go ahead and do a little demonstration with my Sony 4K camera on this unit. Now, if I remember correctly, the camera has to weigh at least 2 3/4 pounds for it to work properly on here. Mine is just over 3. Now, I'm not hooking any cables up to this and to my camcorder. I'm using just the camcorder itself. There are cables that will work with certain cameras, and you can control various functions of that camera through this joystick here and some other buttons on here. These here are mainly for the different modes that this gimbal can do. So I experimented with all those modes in this demo that you're about to see. So let's go ahead and put my Sony 4K camera on here and I'll show you a quick demo of how this thing works. Well, that's a wrap up on our how-to video with Paul Henderson, and this one was a small demonstration of the ZHIYUN Crane 3S gimbal. Now maybe what I'll do is maybe I'll do a balancing video on it later on, but right now, and I just wanted to get this one out there to show a quick demonstration of how it works without any practice at all. I mean, like I said, I did practice a little bit in my bedroom and on my balcony with the different modes. You got the vortex mode, you got the pan follow mode, the lock mode, and I think that's it. And I think I covered all those in that little demonstration you just saw. I really like it, and I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with it. Hopefully I get enough use out of it to justify the $529 price, but like I said, that's not bad because other ones of similar size were $599. And if you want to get the Pro model, which comes with a bunch of accessories, it's anywhere between $799 on sale up to maybe $829 at B&H. I'm not too sure about that, don't quote me. And of course, the prices are subject to change at any time, so the price I mentioned in this video may not be available when you actually go buy it. But I like it. So if I like it, you might like it. And if you like this video, tap the like button, tap the subscribe button. That really helps out my channel, and the bell icon, and you get notifications as new videos come out. If you want to make a small donation to my channel, tap the super thanks button underneath this video. Anything I get goes right back into my channel. And like I said, I do buy stuff with the money that I make from my YouTube AdSense every month. As of this year, every single month I've been getting paid, so that's pretty sweet. My channel's growing in the right direction. It's growing slowly, but it's growing, and I'm happy about that. And I'm trying to put out quality videos. I don't want to put out too many, like a lot of other YouTubers where they just post videos. I try to do stuff that I think people might want to watch. So hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, have fun filming. See you in the next video. Bye. Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video is going to be on my new gadget I had bought to use while filming some YouTube videos for my YouTube channel. It is I can't pronounce it. I'm probably going to butcher the name, but I think it's pronounced ZHIYUN Crane 3S Gimbal. Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video is going to be on a new gadget that I had bought for filming some videos for my YouTube channel. It is the ZHIYUN CS3. No. Well, that's a wrap up on our how-to video with Paul Henderson. $529 on sale is not bad. Just remember that that price isn't a guarantee. They can change at any time. Nah. Take care and have a nice day and have fun filming. Did I say filming or filming? I meant have fun. What an ass. What a dumbass. Have fun filming. See you in the next video. Bye.